everybody. Today I want to talk to you about a little automation program called Hook. It seems pretty cool right now. From the last couple of days that I've been trying it, you can basically hook any file to a main document that you're working on. So let me show you an example. So I'm going to open up a Word doc. And let's say here is the creative brief I've been trying to create. And let's say there is a Safari website that I want to attach to that. So I go to Safari and hit new, and then let's see, for example, Etsy. Or let's not go to Etsy, let's type creative brief examples. And here's one. Let's say you like this one. And it's a website that shows, kind of the overview of how to write a creative brief. So you want to hook this document. So you're going to do Control H, and the hook interface pops up, and then you would do something like hook it to just hook it, copy the link, and then you would so that copies the link, and of course there is a keyboard shortcut for it that you saw, and then you would go back to your main document. You would Control H again, and then you can, from here, you can hook to copied link. And then if you go to Control H again to open up the creative brief, you'll see that these two are now hooked together. And you can build this set of documents and websites together with whatever project you're building. And I can go, for example, I can also do this. I can click down on the menu, and then go to copy all links, or I can copy all links and go to drafts, for example, and Control V or Command V, and it will basically create the two links that I've copied. Here's the creative brief document, and the template that I was just looking for. And I'm not sure why this link didn't copy over, but we can do it again. And go up here and hook to copied link. Do it again. And now I can go back to hook and do a hook to a new draft, for example. And here is the creative brief link in Markdown format and in a new draft document. And this is how you could collect your research material for a project, any project that you're working on. And initially to download Hook, I went to, let's see, where's the Safari? And then it's right here. And go to this page. And I tried to use this download button, but it did not work for me. So what I had to go to was download it through Homebrew. And this is the command, brew install hook, and it installed it instantaneously. It says that it's a paid program, but I have not been asked for any payment whatsoever. There's lots of things that you can do with Hook, but it's pretty cool so far. Although I'm still trying to figure it out. I haven't figured out how to create new Hook projects. Right now, all the links that I've hooked seem to be appearing here. And of course, this is not what you want. So, I'm still looking into how to create Hook projects so that way different projects only have the links that I've hooked with them. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, it's a little bit simpler than what I usually have, but if you're using Hook, let me know in the comments below, and please like and subscribe and comment on my channel. It really helps out this channel grow. Alright, and I will see you all in the next video.